The circuit that we see on slide represents magnetic field passed through magnetic circuit using magnetizing coil. The coil that magnetizes the magnetic circuit is made up of conducting material like copper. Naturally, this would have some resistance at atmospheric temperature. This resistance of coil is separated in this circuit. What remains after separating resistance is known as pure inductor. The pure inductor is shown by special symbol and is named as L on circuit. This arrangement is made to analyze the magnetic phenomena occurring inside the coil and magnetic circuit. If magnetic circuit in the form of ferromagnetic material is absent, then such an inductor is called as air core inductor. When AC voltage is applied to such an idealized inductor, current is drawn by inductor. Now in case of this circuit, instead of sine wave form, cosine wave is supposed to be applied to the circuit. It is useful to identify applied voltage and induced EMF phasors separately. These two phasors are 180 degrees out of phase. Applied voltage to pure inductor is shown in black color and induced EMF across pure inductor is shown in red color. The equation of applied voltage to pure inductor is having negative sign. If we bring negative sign on left side, then remaining expression is for induced EMF. We get applied voltage across pure inductor after deducting resistance drop from supply voltage. But current carried by inductor is responsible for induced EMF EC. The mathematical expression for both currents and induced EMF relates with each other through the equation EC is equal to L into di by dt. In case of magnetic circuit, either iron or air, electric current is a cause and induced EMF is a effect. Accordingly, sinusoidal current expression is differentiated with respect to time and we get induced EMF expression. Note the phasor relations between current through series combination of resistor and inductor and voltage drops across each of these elements. If voltage drop across resistor element is considered, then this drop VR is in phase with current, but voltage drop across inductor has a different location, so current lags behind the voltage drop VL by 90 degrees.